The listening game. Hi, my friends. Are you ready to use your ears in a listening game? I'm going to play a sound, and you're going to use your ears to try to guess what sound it is. Here's the first one. See if you can guess it. That's right. It was a duck. Did anybody guess it right? Let's try another one. Was that a fire truck? Let's try another one. It was a dog. Here's the next one. Did my friends guess that one? It was a baby. Let's move on to the next one. That one was kind of silly. It was a cow. Let's see about the next one. It was a car's horn. Let's try another one. It was a bell. We use it in the classroom, especially when my friends need to listen. Now, let's try the last sound and see if you can guess it. It was a cat. I hope my friends enjoyed playing the listening game. Just remember, we always use the listening rules daily, so please use your ears.